What's up my friends and welcome back. A client gave me this Infinix Hot 10i. It had a problem with its screen. Firstly, I quickly opened it. I used the screwdriver to untie all the screws. I carefully removed the fingerprint as well. I removed the plastic located on top and the motherboard is now exposed. I used the screwdriver to untie the remaining screws located at the bottom. When I remove the downer plastic, the flex can be seen as well. The flex mainly contains the charging port and the mouthpiece. I disconnected the fibers and removed the flex and the motherboard. But before removing the screen, I first tested to see how the screen looks like. The screen was faulty because it was showing lines in the middle. From here, I removed the motherboard and the battery. I then placed the remaining part on the screen separator. The screen separator hits the remaining stuff so that the glue weakens. When the glue is now weakened, I removed the screen with ease. I cleaned the remaining residue on the titanium board thoroughly well. After the cleaning process is done, I brought a new screen, I gummed it and then applied it on the phone. This screen was called Meet 2 and was from a company called Tomorrow. I connected its fiber onto the motherboard and brought the battery as well. I then placed back the top plastic that covers the motherboard. I also added the downer plastic that covers the flex. I placed back all the remaining screws. I tied them with a screwdriver. I turned on the phone and it was working pretty well. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you are the first to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you.